Durham town, baby. Durham town, baby. On that racetrack. Try to hit it. There you go. Vlogging. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Hold this. Hold it like this. We out here in Durham town, baby. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, chill. Go. Man down. Man down. Ride it. Ride it. We out here vlogging. Scrapino behind the camera. Go. Look, you gotta be experienced to be on this track. Woo. Let's go, baby.
I got one of your gloves.
I need to come over there, Jason.
What location? My wife up there and call me. You fuck up, Cody?
We out here, baby. We out here. Like them action? Yeah, we at Durham town. So we've been riding today. Good day. This might be our last ride for the day, but overall it was fun. You know, so I love to come back. I'm on a TTR 230.